Hello everyone, welcome back to our 15 days English speaking challenge. Today is day 7 and today we are going to learn shopping conversation in English. आज के बाद आप शॉप पर बेसिक इंग्लिश में बात कर पाओगे. Why shopping conversation is important? डेली लाइफ में शॉपिंग सब करते हैं और अगर आप इंग्लिश में बेसिक शॉपिंग कन्वर्सेशन सीख जाओ तो कॉन्फिडेंस ऑटोमेटिकली इंक्रीज होता है. इसलिए आज हम रियल लाइफ डायलॉग्स प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. बेसिक शॉपिंग सेंटेंसेस. नाउ रिपीट आफ्टर मी. हाउ मच इज दिस मीन्स ये कितने का है. आई वॉन्ट दिस मीन्स मुझे ये चाहिए. डू यू हैव अनदर कलर मीन्स क्या आपके पास दूसरा कलर है. इट इज़ टू एक्सपेंसिव मीन्स ये बहुत महंगा है. कैन यू रिड्यूस द प्राइस मीन्स क्या आप प्राइस कम कर सकते हो. आई विल टेक इट मीन्स मैं इसे ले लूँगी या मैं इसे ले लूँगा. वेयर इज़ द बिलिंग काउंटर मीन्स बिलिंग काउंटर कहाँ है. लेट्स डू रियल शॉपिंग कन्वर्सेशन. बाइंग ए टी शर्ट. एक्सक्यूज मी हाउ मच इज़ दिस टी शर्ट. इट इज़ 500 rupees. डू यू हैव अनदर कलर. येस वी हैव ब्लू एंड ब्लैक. प्राइस बार्गेनिंग. इट इज़ टू एक्सपेंसिव. Okay, I can reduce the price. Can you make it 400? Yes, sure. At grocery shop. Do you have cold drinks? Yes, they are in the fridge. Okay, I'll take one. At the billing counter. Where is the billing counter? It is near the exit. Can I pay online? Yes, you can. Buying shoes. I want sports shoes. What size do you want? Size 7. Please try these shoes. Buying a mobile cover. Do you have mobile covers? Yes. Which phone do you use? I use Samsung. Here are some covers for Samsung phones. Asking for discount. Can you give me a discount? Yes, I can give 10% discount. Okay, I will buy it. At a bookshop. I want an English grammar book. This book is very popular. How much is it? It is 250 rupees. Buying snacks. Can I get some chips? Sure. Which flavor do you want? I want spicy flavor. Here you go. At a cloth shop. Can I try this dress? Yes, the trial room is there. Thank you. You are welcome. Online payment. Yes, scan the QR code. Payment done. Thank you for shopping. Grocery shopping. Do you have fresh fruits? Yes, they arrived today. Please give me 1 kilo apples. Sure. Asking location in a store. Where can I find bags? They are on the second floor. Okay, thank you. My pleasure. Let's do fast speaking practice. Now speak quickly with me. How much is this? I want this. It is too expensive. Can you reduce the price? I will take it. Where is the billing counter? Common mistakes. How much this is wrong. How much is this is right. I taking this is wrong. I will take this is right. Where billing counter is wrong. Where is the billing counter is right. Practice challenge. Today's challenge. Practice shopping conversation loudly. Use English while shopping next time. Record yourself speaking these dialogues. Daily conversation practice is the key to fluent English. आज से ट्राई करो शॉपिंग के टाइम बेसिक इंग्लिश यूज़ करना. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe. Tomorrow is day 8. We will learn friendship conversation in English.